A YouTube DNL machine coming at you with another video to help keep you out of the jello pudding. So I just tapped that lock pin out of the back right there. You can see the slot, the vertical slot where it used to be. And here, of course, is the pin. And you can see that it is bent. If it's bent, it will not want to come out. It will not want to come out. It will not be your friend. You can buy it all the flour and candy and Valentine's Day gifts you want, and it is not going to come out. And now here we got out of there. And this is the guy. This is what you need to fix when you are going to fix your lock. I don't even know if there's, oh yeah, there's wafers in there. But what you do is you just take out the wafers that are bad, and you can keep using your original key. Use dry graphite lube on this. Don't use sticky lube. Make sure that's clean. Make sure your housing is clean. And there is the magic hole. Okay. Right there. That hole that I drilled, that is what will allow you to get that bugger of a pin out. All right, stay gold.